Hello student, it's me Unity ma'am. Student, you already know that MS Excel is a data spreadsheet program. Therefore, handling of different type of database is quite convenient in this application. In this chapter, you will read about creating a database and adding record as well as sorting and filtering data. First question is what the database is. A database is a collection of related information. For example, a telephone directory is a database containing name, addresses and telephone number of certain people. A database file mainly consists of following component. First component is a field. Fields are typically the columns one can use to define each part of a list of in MS Excel. Normally, the column is also known as a field in Excel. Second component is record. Database entries are called record. One can use row to enter each database entry for the list of the data. Normally, we can say that rows is also known as a record in Excel for database. Next is field name. It is a name given to every column on the basis of a nature of data is represent. Next component of a database is tables. A table is an entire database list of information. Next topic is how to create a table in Excel. To create a table, follow the given step. First step is select a cell containing data that you want to turn into a database table. Okay. Now click on a Insert tab. Click on a table option. The Create Table dialog box open. By default, the selected range get highlighted here. If the range is not correct, you can select a correct cell preference. Click on the checkbox option if you want to include header in the table. Or you want to satisfy this selection area, then click on a OK button. MS Excel change the data into a tables. Fill the cell of a table with the blue shading and display filter arrow for each field. Look at the table. This is a filter arrow. Okay beta. The table tool tab will appear at the top of a title bar. Look at the screen properly. This is a process of how to create a table. Next topic is removing filter arrow. When we create a table, Excel automatically add filter arrow to each field label, allowing for quick filtering tasks. To convert that list back to a regular Excel range, follow the given step. Firstly, select the list. Okay. Now, click on a table tool design tab. Okay. Then click on convert to range in a tool group. This is a tool group, and now we click on a convert to range option. Click on yes when you asked. Excel remove the auto filter arrow from the field level. Okay. Next topic is adding form option to quick access toolbar. MS Excel data form is another way to enter database record. The data form is handy dialog box you can use to type the data for each field in your table, one record at a time. The command to display the data form is not located on the ribbon. Look at the quick access toolbar. Here is not available a form icon. Okay. So first bring the form button in an Excel window. To bring a form button in an Excel ribbon, follow the given step. First step is click on a file tab. Click on option to open Excel option dialog box. This is a Excel option dialog box. Okay. Click on quick access toolbar option, which is here. This area shows those commands which are already on the toolbar. You can use the list to customize the quick access toolbar. Click on choose command from drop down arrow button and select command not in the ribbon option. Command not in a ribbon option. Using the scroll bar, browse and click on a form. Okay. Click on a add button. MS Excel move the form from the list on the left to the list on the right. Now click on a OK button. The form button will appear in the quick access toolbar. It is a form button. Okay. Next topic is adding record using a form. To add records using a data form, follow the given step. First, select the cell of a record. Click on a form on the quick access toolbar. The data entry box open. It contains the information about the first record. Click on a new button. Type the data for the first field. Press the tab key on the keyboard. Repeat the step 4 and 5 to continue filling in form field. Click on a New button again if you want to enter another record. Again press tab key and type the name. Again press the tab key and put the number. Again click on a new button if you want to enter another record. After adding the record, you can close the data entry box. Click on a close button. MS Excel add the record to the database list. Next topic is searching for records. Data form is used to display only those records which will match the criteria specified by you. For example, if you want to view all the students with the same last name, you can use the data form to search the matching record. To search for a record, follow the given step. Open the data form dialog box by clicking on the form button on the quick access toolbar. Click on a criteria button. Click in the field for which you want to specify such criteria and then type the criteria you want to match. Click on Find Preview or Find Next to navigate through the criteria match. Okay. After finishing searching through record, click on a close button to close the form. Next topic is sorting a record. Sort features is used to quickly change the order of record in a list. You can sort your database table to recognize the information. There is ascending sort list record from A to Z and descending sort list record from Z to A. To sort a record, follow the given step. Click on the field name that you want to sort. Okay. And click on a data tab. Click on a sort A to Z or sort Z to A in a sort and filter group. Whenever we click on a to Z, your data will be sorted according the ascending order. Again, we click on a Z to A. आपका डेटा डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर पर यहाँ पर अल्फ़ाबेटिकल Z to A ऑर्डर पर आपके सामने अपीयर हो. You can also click on the down arrow button and choose sort command from the menu that you appear. Sorting with the sort dialog box. Firstly, click on the data tab. Okay. Now click on a sort option in a sort and filter group. The sort dialog box will appear on the screen. Click on a drop down arrow and then select the primary field to sort by. click on a OK button. ये देखिए आपका अकॉर्डिंग आपके चॉइस के ये डेटा यहाँ पर शॉर्ट हो चुका है। इसी तरह आप कॉलम सी के अकॉर्डिंग ऑर्डर आपको रखना है लार्जेस्ट टू स्मॉलर एंड क्लिक ऑन अ ओके बटन। आपके ये जो मार्क्स है वो आपके लार्जर टू स्मॉलर आपके सामने शॉर्ट हो जाएंगे। ये देखिए लार्जर टू स्मॉलर आपका यहाँ पर शॉर्टिंग क्लियर है। सो स्टूडेंट, टुडे मैंने आपको हाउ टू शॉर्टिंग, हाउ टू ऐड अ फॉर्म ऑप्शन टू क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार, what is the database, field, record, field name, table, creating a table, removing filter arrow, ये सारी थिंग्स आपको मैंने डिस्क्राइब की। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आपको आगे का टॉपिक डिस्क्राइब करूँगी। सो थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट।